Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This video is some tips and tricks of how to keep your body cleansed. You know, during the summertime, sometimes you're sweating, or if you're going to the gym and, okay, I'm leaving the gym, I need to run by the store, but I'm smelling like sweat, or I've been at work all day, I can't get home to freshen up, different ways to freshen up, different methods of, keeping yourself okay when you shave. Sometimes people get a little itchy because the hair is trying to come back in and stuff like that, and just shaving sometimes does that. So I'm gonna give you some of those tips and tricks. Okay, for example, you're at work or you're out somewhere and you use the bathroom. Every time you use the bathroom, you need to use some type of wipe, preferably not one that has scent because that can mess up your pH balance. Preferably, just a regular wipe. Or you can also take some paper towels with you. A lot of times I don't like to use the paper towels that are in the bathroom already because people probably don't touch them, have their hands all over them, all kind of people and stuff like that. So you take some paper towels from home and you put it in a little Ziploc bag and carry it with you all the time. And before you go into the stalls, you take and you wet one with some water. You can kind of wipe yourself down just a little bit, if you get what I mean. In the goodies area, you kind of wipe it down because people are going to sweat and it's going to happen. Another thing is, you want to keep from kind of spraying a whole bunch of different sprays in the area. pH balance is a big thing, and that'll mess up your pH balance. But they have these different sprays that, are organic and stuff like that you can use, just like the deodorants are organic and stuff like that you can use on your arms. Also, with that being said, deodorant is a good way to keep your goodies fresh. You take just a little bit of it, if it's a spray, you can just spray it, not directly in the area, but near the area. Or if you have the roll-on kind, you can kind of roll a little bit on your finger and kind of rub it there yourself, and it kind of helps you keep, a cooler scent or whatever. And also, when you shave, you can also use deodorant. Shaving kind of, leaves you to where sometimes you be itchy or the little hairs are growing back and it's kind of bothering you. You can take a little bit of deodorant after you shave, and a day after, you can kind of rub some there and it'll keep you from itching. Another thing with deodorant is women tend to get right around their bra line or right in the front part, in their chest, the little hole part here in your chest, kind of, sweats a little bit and you feeling uncomfortable. Take a little bit of deodorant and put it there too, and that deodorant will last you all day long. When I tell you all day long, it will last you all day long. Another tip with deodorant that kind of helps you from being shiny. Sometimes your nose might be a little bit shiny, or sometimes here. Don't do this too often. You can do it sometimes. Don't try to do it all the time. Take a little bit of deodorant here and it keeps the shine off. A little bit of deodorant there. For a special day, you don't want to wear makeup or something like that, or you're in a hurry, you got to hurry to do it, but you want to get the shine off. There you go. You can use that to keep the shine off. Okay, another thing with deodorant will be you can put a little bit on your socks. If you think you're going to be sweating for the day, or you got a long day, you can put a little bit on your sock. Take it, put it in your hand, and rub it on your socks. It kind of keeps the smell down for those of you that have little funky feet, or not necessarily funky feet, or people that sweat a lot. That kind of keeps, it down a little bit. Or you can take a little bit and put it inside your shoe, whichever way you want to. But you don't have to use deodorant. Everybody don't have baking soda in their house, so you can't always use the baking soda, but you can use the baking soda in your shoe too as well. That also helps too. So I just want to come and tell y'all some of these tricks and stuff. But the main one that I really like is you can get a little bottle. Some people know that had a baby. It's a little applicator bottle they give you to squish in your area, to keep yourself clean. You can buy those, and they have little small ones that you can carry with you, and you can keep it in your purse, and you can just put the water in there when you get in the bathroom, or you can carry the water with you. Me, most of the time, I just have the bottle with me, and then when I get in the bathroom, I'll put a little water in there, and when you go and you use the restroom, you go ahead and you wipe yourself and everything, preferably with wet paper towel or the wet wipes or whatever. You don't want the scented ones because it messes up your pH balance. And you wipe yourself down, and you take the the applicator bottle and you just squish there and kind of let it rinse itself down and wash yourself. And something you have to remember, right? Make sure you wipe from front to back. Always, never wipe from back to front. You're trying to mess yourself up. You're trying to get yourself infection. So especially if you do, number 2, you want to take this applicator bottle and you want to squish down there and kind of cleanse yourself and wipe yourself down. So those are some of my tips and tricks of how to keep yourself cleansed and cool during the summer time, and anytime you're going to the gym or you're feeling a little extra musty, or you're gonna have a long day, you can't come back home. Because see me, I take my shower, go to work, I come back and clean myself up, go back to work, and then I clean myself up again before I go to bed. So there's 3 times. So I make sure and have this stuff with me, because they may ask me, I need you to work all day and I have a 12-hour shift. Oh, what am I gonna do? I'll use those tips and tricks. So hopefully that helped you guys. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. Subscribe to my other channel if you hadn't already. Make sure you check out my Amazon shop. And make sure you check me out on social media. If there's any questions you have, leave the comments below. Any videos you might want to see, whether it's about my hair, about cleanliness, keeping your body clean, anything electronics that you might have seen. Make sure you leave those comments below. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Be blessed.